Are you searching for the best mini bench drill machine? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best mini bench drill machine in 2025, which save you time and money. Number 1. This product we've selected is currently the most popular in the market and stands out for its exceptional quality. So far, it has sold the most units, orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2, it's another most popular and best-selling product. This product offers great value for its low price. If you're looking for something affordable without compromising on quality, this is a great choice. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. This is best quality product on the market. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 4. This is another best quality product. Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 5. DIY High Precision Drilling Machine. The small drilling machine has a sturdy metal structure, and the 795 DC motor ensures strong precision drilling capabilities. It is equipped with a B10 drill chuck compatible with 0.8 to 6 mm high-speed steel drill bits. It has 3 metal shafts, 2 bushing bearings, double springs, and limit rods, which are easy to operate and are ideal for drilling holes in wood, plastic, resin, aluminum, and other soft materials. The compatible size and low noise allow you to use it. For DIY projects at home, there are additional expansion designs with 2 types of slots on the base, allowing you to install mini bench pliers or CNC sliding tables for CNC drilling projects. Solid metal construction. The mini drill press features a robust metal structure with 3 metal shafts, 2 bushing bearings, and dual springs to ensure precise drilling every time. High-speed DC motor. Equipped with a 795 DC motor, the precision CNC table drilling machine achieves a maximum speed of 7,000 RPM, providing powerful and accurate drilling capabilities. Versatile drill chuck. The portable benchtop driller comes with a B10 drill chuck, suitable for 0.8 to 6 mm high-speed steel drill bits, making it ideal for drilling wood, plastic sheets, resin boards, aluminum, and other soft materials. Adjustable depth control. The mini bench drill machine includes a limit bar, allowing you to easily control and adjust the drilling depth for precise and consistent results. Base alignment holes. The DIY High Precision Drilling Machine features alignment holes on the base, enabling you to effortlessly position the drilling center. The latest expanded base design allows for the installation of a mini vise or CNC sliding table for advanced CNC drilling projects.